Let's do a trade recap together for yesterday, which was a day which I avoided going until, and I didn't take any trades, but I did see a really good setup that I should have taken. That's probably a lot. I don't know if I said that right. But basically, I saw a setup in London session. I didn't want to take it because I wasn't 100% confident in it, but it was a really good setup, to be honest. I should have taken it, but I wasn't too confident. I didn't want to take a trade that I was not confident in on a day after I've already taken a loss. And then after that, I was feeling really, really annoyed because I'm like, damn, I should have taken that trade because then I could have been in profit and then I could have made all this money, blah, 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 blah. And then I was like, I kind of feel like something is going wrong here with my psychology. And then basically I saw another setup and I really, really wanted to take it, but then I chose not to because, yeah, I didn't want to go until. But let me show you. Let's just get Nasdaq out of the way. It basically invalidated my setup because it closed above this big box here. Gold is where it all happened yesterday. So this is the setup that I saw in New York session. Obviously, all of this looks quite choppy now, but before this, when I was seeing the setup, it was looking pretty alright. Basically, on the 1 hour, I saw that price had broken above these highs here. It made an indication, made a correction here, and then I saw some bullish structure, and it looked to do a continuation. Scaling into the 15-minute, I usually like to wait for a 5-minute candle close. Wait, I'll show you on the 5-minute. So I like to wait for a 5-minute candle close, but obviously the 5-minute candle close didn't happen until all the way up here. So I'm like, the RR isn't worth it because the entry would be here, the stop loss would be here, and the take profit would be here, which would be absolutely ridiculous. So I was like, I'm just going to see what happens. And then I saw price had made a retracement, had not broken any of these lows, and then started to push up back above this level. So I was like, okay, cool. I feel confident to enter. So I basically entered safely. We had 2 candle closes above this level. We had 1 candle close here, 2 candle closes here. We also had all of these breaker structures, which were telling me that I could enter above this level. So I felt pretty comfortable entering above this level, given that price hadn't broken the lows here. I just had my stop loss below this level here. I was ideally not wanting to see price break this low, but I thought I'd give it a little bit of room. And then it very smoothly made its way to my take profit. I'd say smoothly, but it kind of chopped around and then it went to my take profit. And then the setup that was really bad that I wanted to take, I'll quickly show you that. So I was basically just seeing price get back above this level, but it was a bit stupid because you can see here it broke that 1 hour low here. So it actually broke it, made a lower low, and then it actually also ended up making a lower high, but I didn't realize that at the moment I wanted to get in. I didn't get in at all on any of these trades, but this one I'm extra glad I didn't get in on. Obviously it's still not closed yet, like it hasn't hit the stop loss or take profit, but I don't care. I just think it was a bad setup. So there's just way too much happening here for me to feel comfortable getting into this trade, especially the fact that price had already broken a low. So I just feel like it just was low probability. But what I saw was basically price make this new low here. It didn't break this original indication level, which we're not working off the initial indication. We're working off of a whole another setup. So it was just, yeah, it was not good. But we saw a breaker structure here and I was like, okay, cool, enter straight off the bat, straight off of a tiny 5-minute candle close that only just closed above this level. Wanted to enter here, stop loss at the low, and then target the high. Definitely glad I didn't take. But I have a full trade recap on my YouTube channel.